In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use the fill command in Minecraft on the PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Before I start teaching you how to use the fill command, I just want to make a quick disclaimer. You will notice that I am recording this video on my PC, but don't worry, the method to use the fill command is going to be the same between PC and PlayStation 5, so I've decided to record on my PC for convenience, but you simply have to follow the steps and you will be able to execute it on your PlayStation 5. So for this video, I want to fill out this specific area here with diamond blocks, so it is going to make a square between these two corners. So to use the fill command, all that you have to do is first, make sure that you have coordinates enabled. So if you look at the top left corner of the screen, over here, I have coordinates. If you don't see those, what you have to do is go over to the settings of the world that you are playing on and enable this option under World Options, show coordinates. By enabling this, you can see the specific position that you are on the map. So we're going to be filling out the 220 position all the way to minus 280, and this is going to be the starting point. So all that you have to do now is open chat by pressing right on the D-pad or pressing T if you are on PC. And first, let me just change the weather. What you will have to do now is start from the first position and then the end one. So when you open chat, type /fill and then space, and then you can simply use tab twice if you are on PC, like this, tab, 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 tab. Now, if you cannot press tab, then, like I said, you have to note down the coordinates. So for me, it would be 216, 64, and then negative 284. So after you type the first set of coordinates, I recommend that you go ahead and you actually send a message. Now, it is going to give you an error, but that's okay, because now we can move on to the second position, and if we look through our recent messages, we can actually find the one that we sent, just so we don't have to repeat all of the coordinates. Now, you can just go ahead and type the next set of coordinates. So my starting coordinates are going to be 216, 63 minus 285, and then my end position is, like I said, 220, 63 minus 281. Now, type space once more, and now it's time to enter the block. So I want to use diamond blocks, but you can type whatever you want. For example, dirt, dirt with roots, you can type cobblestone, and all of the blocks available in the game are going to appear over there at the left. So you just have to select any of them from the list. Immediately upon pressing enter, the area is going to be filled. So as you can see, it went down one block to the ground. So if I wanted to do this upper layer, I would have had to jump here. But this is how you use the fill command. Just set up a starting coordinate and an end one, and you will be good to go. I hope I was able to help you on how to use fill command in Minecraft PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.